Do you remember the time when you want something sweet, something ice cream-like, but don't want to jeopardize your healthy eating habits? Or feel guilty after that? For me, it happens more often than I can admit. This banana peanut butter smoothie, or shake if you wish, always comes in handy. It takes literally 3 to 5 minutes to make it, and you can make it every day. All you need is just a ripe banana. I prefer really ripe banana. One banana, a generous scooping of peanut butter, at least a tablespoon. Sometimes I add even more than a tablespoon. 4 to 5 dates. If you don't like it to be sweet, just add 3. I like it to be sweet, so right now I'm gonna add 4, but trust me, sometimes I add 5 or even 6. Now this one is spoiled. Make sure to beat them, otherwise you're gonna break your blend. About half a cup of milk, plant-based milk, and 4 to 5, sometimes I add 6 ice cubes. The more ice cubes, the richer is the smoothie, but make sure not to overdo, otherwise you're going to make your banana peanut butter smoothie too watery. I'm going to add 5 now. And back in the freezer, and then blend it up. Pour it in your cup. If you want to add just a little bit of extra protein, you can add some hemp seeds on top. Just sprinkle. Wrap your straw. Enjoy.